again, looking at it, to factor it, I'm kind of looking at maybe something to do with squares. So what I'd write down, I'm kind of looking for it, and let's take a look at this. I'm going to, maybe move things around a little tiny bit. So a to the 4/3, and I'll write down plus b to the minus 3/2, and then I'll put this thing on the end, which is a to the 2/3. You may wonder why I'm leaving space here, because I have to insert things to see things. And I'm gonna, again, I'm believing it has something to do with squares, so I'm gonna put something in the middle here. But I want it to be a minus thing, so a minus of what? It's gonna be 2, a to the 2/3. Almost like I'm completing a square, so to speak. And then, let's see, b to the minus 3/4. Well, you know what? I'm going to put a plus sign here. That way I'm going to do it over here as minus. You may wonder, I want the difference of perfect squares now. Well, lo and behold, I see something over here. I'm going to circle it for you. What do I see over here? It's a perfect square. A to the 2/3 plus b to the minus 3/4 squared. Let's just check it out. You get a to the 4/3, first term. Last term would be b to the minus 3/2. That looks good. The middle thing would be plus 2, a to the 2/3, b to the minus 3/4. Works beautifully. What do you get next? Minus a to the 2/3. I'm combining those terms together, b to the minus 3/4. Well, I'm noticing that this is a difference of perfect squares, which is really what I want to do. So it's a to the 2/3 plus b to the minus 3/4. Let's see, minus a to the 1/3, b to the minus 3/8. Times, I'm going to have a tough time fitting it in there, a to the 2/3, we'll look at the key later, plus b to the minus 3/4. There's always a possibility of making a mistake, by the way, and then plus a to the 1/3, b to the minus 3/8. Let's get my red marker out and see how we've done. A to the 2/3, b to the minus 3/4, minus a to the 1/3, b to the minus 3/8. Got that. A to the 2/3, b to the minus 3/4, plus a to the 1/3, b to the minus 3/8. Things are working as advertised. All right, let me remind you, my name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, which is B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you for your attention.